I'm Caden Seeger. For my programming challenge, I'm basically making a my version of Cookie Clicker. And yeah, so pretty much all I have right now is 88 lines of code, I think. Yeah, 88 lines of code. Um, it's far. So I'm gonna run it, show you what's going on. I'll probably explain it. Hopefully it works. I think it will. I had a problem before, but I think I fixed it. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so yep. Welcome to my version of Cookie Clicker. Press enter to add a cookie type. Type help for a list of all the commands. So I'll just do help. See, press enter to add a cookie to enter. You can type a lot of commands like eat to eat one cookie, shop to enter the shop, and bow to see how many cookies you have. Also type quit to quit the game. Okay, let's just start adding cookies. And as you can see, when you type bow, you have more cookies each time you enter. So let's do that. See, let's type shop now. See what it can get, and it's gonna take a bit. So it asks how many cookies you want to make per enter. Remember that each extra cookie per enter is 100 cookies. So now you have to type how many cookies you want. And I only have 55 cookies, so let's see if I can get an extra cookie per enter, even though it's 100 cookies. So it says you do not have enough cookies to buy +1 cookies per enter. So we have to add more cookies to our balance. See if that's enough. 122 cookies, that should be enough. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if I can add one cookie. Yep, you can do that. And now if you can see first, I only have 24 cookies, and if I press enter once, I can see that I have only 26 cookies. So it is +2 cookies per enter. Now, I added a uh, command that's pretty much just a debug, so it adds a lot of cookies and a lot of cookies per enter. See if it bugs out with higher numbers. So let's do that. And as you can see, adds 1,000 more cookies and balance 1,026 cookies. So we can do shop now. Checking out shop. Okay, now it asks how many cookies you want. So we should be able to do 10. And yep, plus 10 cookies per enter. See how much. Yeah, we only have 52. Okay. I think I pressed enter once before. And okay. Now if we press enter once, 78 cookies because that when you type debug, I think I can show it. I gotta figure out where it is. I'll just control F. Debug. Yep, right here. So it adds my cookie click, which is cookie click is how many cookies you have in your bank, and cookie count is how many cookies you get per enter. So it adds 1,000 cookies to your bank, and then it adds plus 14 per cookies per enter to make it a solid 15 because you have to have one cookie per enter, otherwise you're just not going to get anywhere in the game. So then we added um, 10 from buying 10. So yeah, that's pretty much it, except I'll just look if I covered all the commands. Oh, you can do an eat and you ate one cookie, so now if we do balance, you can see we only have 77 cookies instead of 78 because we ate one. There is no really reason you would eat them. It's just for fun if you want to just have a cool number of your balance. I don't know. You might be weird. Now if we do that, 74 cookies now. Let's see. And then the last command I have is quit. And if you want to quit the game, you just type quit and it quits. And that's pretty much it for right now. I am trying to figure out how to make a timer. So like, not timer, but like if well, the real Cookie Clicker website game has a way to you click the cookie and over time you add cookies to your bank on its own, and I'm trying to figure out how to do that. Um, but I'm not too sure because the way I have it is why I thought of it and here is this thread that sleep just waits. So it's a while true and it waits at 1 second and then it adds whatever how many ever cookie count you have, which is the per enter to your bank. And then this user input to is to be able to break out of the uh, while loop. But if I run it, it asks for the user input and then it just stays there because it can't go through the while loop without getting a user input. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that. So that's what I have so far. Um, and now I have to go to my Git Kraken, and I pretty much worked in REPL over the Thanksgiving break and beforehand because there was something wrong with GitHub.com, and I didn't want to deal with it, so I just used REPL, and then I was going to copy the REPL code into my IntelliJ. And so I made the initial commits, and then this, well, check out one conflict prevents check out commits. So pretty much, oh, shoot, I'll just commit right now. Let's see what's happening. Bug fix. I think I added a bug fix beforehand, so I just. So now I should be able to open up Beta Cookie Clicker, which is the cookie clicker I did before. I added a different shop thing. So now if we check that out, I'll run it and show you what's going on. It's kind of different, but it's not too bad. Usually gonna run. Oh, it's loading. Okay. Okay. So now it pretty much is the same thing so far. Add 11. I mean, not add 11, but you have 11 cookies, and then the thing that's different from the between the two is the shop. So the shop used to be like this. Ooh, that's not that. What? Huh. I must have. Hmm. Okay, so so this is how it used to be. It's the exact same thing. 27 cookies. So this is what how it used to be, and just did +5. So let's do debug. Oh shoot, I was in the shop thing. So now if we do debug now, I added another one. So let's do it again. Now if we do shop, it's minus 1,000 cookies because a cookie, how many cookies you get per enter is above a certain thing. So I had it like this, if by equals by +5, which is what you needed to do. So like, watch. This is oh, I see. By plus and then space 5. The thing wrong with that, I didn't really tell you how to command it. And I was gonna fix that, but I decided to scrap this whole idea of shop and just change it to the shop that I have now. I thought this was kind of cool, but it's not really optimized, and I thought it was kind of clunky, so I changed it to the way it is right now, and you can change how many um, cookies per enter you can get on its your own. So that's pretty much it. Um, yeah, so I have three branches: the master, beta cookie clicker, and then new shop idea. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Uh, so, yeah.